stood in the windy city, the gypsy boy and I. We slept on the breeze in the midnight, with the raindrops in tears in our eyes. And who's going to be the one to say it was no good what we done? I dare a man to say I'm too young, or I'm going to try for the sun. We huddled in a derelict building, and when he thought I was asleep, he laid his poor coat around my shoulder and shivered there beside me in a heap. And who's going to be the one to say it was no good what we done? I dare a man to say you're too young, I'm gonna try for the sun. Well, hi there pluckers, Arvosaur Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting possible lesson for you. Donovan's classic song, To Try for the Sun, finger picking style. I don't normally do finger picking, okay, so this is a bit of a challenge for me, which I've taken on. So there is a shortened version of the song, just as a preview for you, just so of gauge how many people would want a lesson on that. To try and teach this is going to be quite tricky because it's finger picking. So I just want to gauge the reaction, okay, for now. So thanks very much for listening to my attempt at playing Donovan's style, and I'll wait to see how many people want to learn it. Okay, bye for now.